Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to search within a folder in Google Drive. So this is my drive and this is folder 1. And let's say I want to search in this folder 1, although I have only one file in here. Let's say you have 100 of files and you don't want to manually look, and so you want to search it in the search bar. But if you search it right here and you have a lot of files, a lot of similar files, then it will search across all of your drive and you might not find it at all. So in order to search only in folder 1, I have to go right here to this advanced search. Click on that, and then all you have to do is go down to this location, click on this drop down arrow and click on more locations. Now choose a folder that you want to search in. So in my case it is folder 1. Press select and then press then select the item name, of course. So we have to write it right here, item name, or the words that it includes right here, and then press search. And then it will show you everything in this folder. As you can see, this is searching in this folder and this is your search results. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.